at day 3 of our trip, and we have some planned adventures today. Let's see where and all we can cover today. And I will tell you, it is quite cold here also. In month of March also it is quite cold over here. I am wearing a sweatshirt, my brother is also wearing a sweatshirt, and let's see what all we are experiencing today. Bye bye.
We started our day full of adventures by 10 a.m. and first we headed towards giant, green and beautiful tree plantation garden. The hill station of Munnar are synonymous rolling hills that are carpeted with plantation of trees, a delicious beverage loved worldwide. This place is recognized for having some of the best and most beautiful tea gardens across the globe. Our next stop was Eco Point. Eco Point in Munnar is popular tourist spot among the picturesque Nilgiri Hills. It lies on the bank of serene lake and offers a panoramic view of the surrounding hills and evergreen forest cover. Three mountain ranges, Mudrapuzha, Nallathanni and Kundala, meet at the Eco Point, and it is a heaven for adventure enthusiastic, nature lovers and photographers. It is known for echoing your voices through the mountains. Next visit was Kundala Dam. The boating experience at this dam is beyond words. It offers pedal boats, Kashmiri Shikhara boats, Tokri boats available on rent to make your trip more enjoyable. We rented Tokri boat and went almost 2 kilometers inside the lake and had a great experience with chilled breeze, serene water and calm blue hills and green forest.
We are taking a ride of Tokri. It's in Kundala Dam, and you can see the view. We'll show in the next slides, next videos. This is totally surreal.
is a picturesque place about 20 km from Munnar on the way to the top station. It is at a height of 1700 meters above the sea level. Next to our journey was Top Station Point. Top Station is located around 32 km from Munnar and it is the highest point in Munnar. This place comes in Kerala-Tamil Nadu border. Here you can enjoy the panoramic view of Western Ghats and the valley of Theni district of Tamil Nadu. At this highest point, you may feel that the clouds are just a hand touch away from you.
One hour later.
So we went to the trip point. She didn't went, she went half of the journey and I finished the entire steps. While going down it was so easy, like still doable, but while coming up I was totally exhausted.
I can't even talk.
We are totally exhausted, but if you see in the videos, you will get to know the beautiful scenes which we went through.
Beautiful adventure of day 3 ends with this amazing sunset.
बड़ा होने आने